BDV Solutions Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. BDV Solutions is a technology consulting and software services provider, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is fixed. The surprising truth is that costs vary widely depending on project complexity, scope, and duration. For software development projects, pricing is typically based on hourly rates, which can range from to per hour depending on expertise and technology stack. You won't believe how much consulting and project management influence the total cost. Planning, requirements analysis, and quality assurance are factored into pricing. Most people get this wrong by comparing only hourly rates. They overlook the value of dedicated support, scalable solutions, and post-deployment services, which BDV includes in larger engagements. Custom enterprise solutions are quoted individually, reflecting specific client requirements. In conclusion, BDV Solutions pricing is project-based and transparent. By understanding hourly rates, project scope, and included services, you go from zero to pro in evaluating proposals and ensuring your investment delivers real business value.